string split is a function that separates a string expression based on a specific character. It is a table-valued function. Therefore, unlike other functions, it is used after the from statement. Returns a table instead of a string value. Two parameters are sent to the function. The first parameter represents the string expression. The second parameter is the separator character. Let's better understand how it works by making an example in SQL Server. The string split function is written after the from statement. It does not work like other functions. Hence the first SQL query will return an error. Returns the table successfully if used after the from statement. String expression and separator character are sent to the function. Rows were created according to the separator. Let's do a different example. New York and Paris were divided according to the specified bracket. Finally, let's break up the letters from the comma character. Thanks for watching. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.